Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best sewing machine seam guide on the market, the BREXFIRE Upgraded Magnetic Seam Guide. Whether you're a professional garment maker or a home sewing enthusiast, this accessory promises to bring precision and ease to your sewing projects like never before. This magnetic seam guide stands out due to its strong magnet absorption, providing ultimate practicality without the need for any installation. Simply attach it to the needle plate of your sewing machine, and it will stay firmly in place. Its powerful magnets ensure that it doesn't shift during sewing, even when working with thick fabrics. This means you can achieve stable, accurate stitching every time. One of the best features is how effortless it is to operate. The guide allows your fabric to smoothly slide along, maintaining a consistent seam width with ease. You can remove and reposition it quickly, offering unmatched convenience, especially when switching between different projects or seam sizes. The construction quality is impressive, crafted from high-quality stainless steel combined with strong magnets. This design not only guarantees durability but also ensures the guide remains stable, providing reliable edge protection, positioning, and anti-curling benefits. It's truly a multi-functional tool that can handle curved stitches and thickness adjustments with precision. Another highlight is its universal compatibility. Whether you own a quilting machine or a standard sewing machine, the BREXFIRE Magnetic Seam Guide fits most brands and models. If your sewing machine lacks a metal plate behind the presser foot, no worries, you can easily use a sticky metal plate to secure the guide in place. This versatility makes it a must-have accessory for anyone serious about sewing. The package comes with one magnetic seam guide, making it a practical addition to your sewing supplies. It's also a thoughtful gift idea for sewing enthusiasts, suitable for special occasions like birthdays, holidays, or any creative milestone. In summary, the BREXFIRE Upgraded Magnetic Seam Guide combines strong magnetic grip, high-quality materials, and universal fit to offer you an accessory that simplifies sewing, enhances precision, and delivers professional results effortlessly. If you want to sew with confidence and accuracy, this magnetic seam guide could be the tool you need. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights.